Hello guys, this is Shady Knight here, and I'm going to make a tutorial on how to keep your computer running fast. So, it's pretty simple. There's just two programs you need to know that are already in your computer. One is called Disk Cleanup, the other one is called Disk Defragmenter. So, what you have to do is go on your start menu and just type in disk cleanup and you click on disk cleanup. I've got two hard drives, so if you've used your two hard drives, both of them, you'd have to probably do them separately for each one, but I've only used my C drive, so I'm going to press OK on that. And here it just starts scanning for like some temporary internet files or something, just stuff you probably don't even need. So you tick all of these boxes, or whatever boxes you want to tick. I don't think you should tick recycling bin, because if you tick recycling bin, then you might delete some stuff that you actually want to keep. Don't delete anything you don't know of. I don't know what a game statistic file is, so I'm not deleting that. So when you've ticked all of these boxes, press OK and delete files. You should start deleting files now. Okay, when it's deleted all your files, it will just close down disk cleanup. Now what you need to do is go to disk defragmenter. So type in disk defragmenter. Okay, I think I spelled defragmenter wrong, so I'm just going to put defrag. Click on disk defragmenter. And what you have to do, I'm not going to do this because it takes quite a long time. You press something, hold shift and highlight them all, and then press analyze disks. And then when it says how much fragmented they are, then press defragment disks when you want to defragment them. And it says here I've got one of them is fragmented a little bit. I'm going to defrag that later because I can't bother to do it now. So I'm just going to quickly just show you. You press analyze disk and it's analysed really fast for some reason, I don't know why. Now you press defragment disk and then that defrags it for you. I don't think this is actually defragged. I think the D drive thingy is kind of messed up or something. I've got to tell my dad that, but usually if you want to like defrag your main hard drive, then it'll take a lot longer as there's more files that needs to be defragged. So what defragmenter actually does is, well, I don't really know how to say it computer-ishly, so I'm going to say it like this. You can't cope with your room if it's like messy, and when you tidy it up, then it feels a lot easier to do stuff. That's the same with computers and files and crap. Disk cleanup just deletes temporary files and stuff that slow down your computer. Now, you also need to have an antivirus. I use Norton and AVG, the free version. But you really just need one antivirus, to be honest. So get an antivirus. Anything that isn't McAfee is good. I recommend Norton 360 and AVG. Have a virus scan every few weeks at least, like every week at least. I recommend for you. So you have a virus scan every few weeks, and I'm sure you all have some common sense, but those of you who don't, no offense, but I'm going to show you an example. So Pixo is a good example. I don't even know why anybody uses Pixo, because only pedophiles do. No offense to anybody who does use them, but like M&S and okay, you probably would be able to trust this, but like this is a bad example, but like I'm gonna say now, say if there was like a advert that says shoot 5 iPhones and win an iPad or something. I think I can show you an example. Right. You shouldn't really be using Pirate Bay anyway, because it's probably full of viruses anyway. But like these sorts of adverts, you shouldn't really click on them because you probably don't even know them. You don't know about them, and obviously on things that have fake logos of Google, you shouldn't really trust them. And that's basically it. So follow those steps. Defrag your hard drive and clean up all those unnecessary files with cleanup and defragmenter. I'd say every 6 months, like depending on how much stuff you download. If you download a lot of stuff and delete them, you'd probably have to do it every month or something. I'm not really sure, but I think you'd better judge it, and if you do it too often, then you wouldn't really notice a change or anything. So thank you for watching my tutorial. This has been my first video, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.